a soldier, by the way. I have an eagle head right now. We're a good team, maggot. Your white flag does not stop American bullets. That was close.
Oh, hello, soldier.
Are you all trying for a Section 8? Which of you numbnuts let us down?
Nope.
Ah! Not good!
You gotta be kidding me!
Next up!
Ah, that was rubbish.
Stop it!
Well, this was a disappointment.
Stop
I did
it.
all I could.
Which one of you is crying?
Here.
You bleeding idiots!
Negatory!
I've had enough!
Ah! Ah, this is bad!
Erasmus, I hate you!
I hate you so much, soldier.
Negatory!
What a disaster!
What just happened?
This is a real freaking embarrassment.
You really think I look fat?
Pumba, Pumba, Pumba. You're a pig. It's a compliment.
Oh, thank you.
Where
the
did
hell
we
is your
go
guys'
so
problem?
wrong?
Night, Irene.
Not our finest moment.
So much